Presenting the Insta360 GO2 camera. It is available in white color. This lightweight tiny action camera fits perfectly in your shirt and can be mounted anywhere. The product has a dimension of 18.9 into 10.6 into 7.5 centimeters and weighs 457 grams. Tap open the Insta360 app to preview your shot real time over Wi-Fi and adjust settings on the fly. This tiny camera allows you to choose the aspect ratios just to fit in any feed, and that makes your shot perfect to post it anywhere. The time shift mode packs all your actions into a hyperlapse video up to 6 times faster than real life. The exciting night lapse mode adjusts the exposure automatically and gives a perfect output in all the shots taken during the low light time. The FlowState Stabilization feature helps to keep your shot and the horizon perfectly steady. The GO2 horizon leveling algorithms helps to keep the video upright even when the camera shakes. The slow motion mode allows to shoot artistic videos. The IPX8 waterproof resistant works effectively even if it's done to 13 feet underwater. Turn on the Aqua Vision mode to cut off the blue haze in your underwater footage and experience the realistic vibrant colors. The HDR mode enhances the beauty of natural vivid color. The battery life stays for up to 150 minutes under 1080p30 basic stabilization video setting. Different video and photo resolutions are applied for each mode settings in the camera, which helps to provide the desired shot. The camera supports MP4 video format and INSP and DNG photo format, which can be exported via application or studio. It has 5 different modes for photos and 6 modes for videos with H.264 video coding. The maximum video bitrate is 80 Mbps. The exposure modes in both photo and video is auto manual with the shutter speed of 1/8120s and ISO 100/3200. The camera is compatible with iOS .A11 or above and devices powered by Android Kirin 980 or above, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 or above, Exynos 9810 or above. The box includes GO2 camera, charge case, lens guard which is pre-installed on the lens by default, magnet pendant, pivot stand, easy clip and Type-C charge cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.